What's up, YouTube? Bre'onna Janae here, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm just gonna go through and restock my son's vending machines. I've bought him 4 so far, so already been to Sam's, already got everything I needed. Hopefully, I'm able to get this done soon because it's getting hot, and I'm not trying to be out here sweating. I forgot to show you guys what all I purchased. I ended up getting Sprite, Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, Brisk Iced Tea, Arizona, Coke, and also Gatorades for this machine. I've noticed with this location, they really love Sprite, Coke, and lemonade. I wasn't able to find any lemonade this day, so I just decided to try something new with the Brisk and Arizona. For my snack machine, I usually try to switch it up each time. But I've noticed with this location, they really love the spicy chips and the chocolate as well. I usually bring my son with me to restock, but he's with his dad for the weekend, so I just decided to go ahead and take care of it today. Now, for this machine, when I tell you it took me forever to get this machine working properly, I had just gotten it placed that day. So, everything that was in there, I had to set it up myself as far as pricing wise, the labels, of course, put more drinks in there. So, I got Pepsi, Mountain Dew, root beer, Sprite, 7 Up, brisk iced tea, Dr. Pepper, and Coke. But it took me hours to get this machine working properly because it's my first time setting it all up by myself, but I'm glad I was able to take care of it that day. At this time, it was so hot out there. It seemed like the sun was shining right on top of my head. But I don't know what happened to the key for my snack machine. I guess I lost it a couple of months ago, so I had someone come out to make me a new lock and new keys for that machine. So once I received the key, I went back and switched out all the chips that were old and replaced it with new snacks, new chips, new candy, new cookies, a little bit of everything. I'm just glad I was able to restock the machines all at once, so I won't have to go back out there for another 2 to 3 weeks. Well, I finally finished with my machines. Now it's time to relax, take a shower, kick my feet up, and just chill for the rest of the day. I started at 8 and it is now 2. Yeah. I started at 8, it is now 2 o'clock. So yeah, I'm chilling for today. Today is gonna be one of them days for sure. But no, I'm glad that I was able to take care of it. I'm off today, so I'm just gonna relax and just chill since my son is with his dad. I don't have anything planned for today, not as of now. But if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I will see you later. Bye.